I'm Dr. Andrew Talal, Professor of Medicine at the Jacobs School of Medicine, University at Buffalo, and Director of the Center for Clinical Care and Research in Liver Disease. Hepatitis C is a chronic viral infection that can result in end-stage liver disease, cirrhosis, and hepatocellular carcinoma. It disproportionately affects drug users, with estimates between 30% and 70% of those who are heroin addicts being infected with the virus. Now is a very exciting time for treatment of hepatitis C because for the first time we have all oral regimens that avoid interferon and the injection required for interferon administration. These new treatments are over 95% effective, have almost no side effects, and have tremendously reduced treatment duration than used to be required with interferon. Unfortunately, many of those persons who inject drugs are not being treated because of difficulty with accessing care. In order to engage persons with substance use disorders into treatment for hepatitis C, we established a collaboration with START Treatment and Recovery Centers to offer telemedicine-based therapy. With the development of the new direct-acting antivirals, for the last year and a half, we have actually offered telemedicine-based treatment directly on-site within the clinics. What follows are patient testimonials and their reactions to this innovative treatment approach.
I had 3 friends of mine, right? It was 3 of us, and we bought a bottle of champagne, right? And we put it in a safe, and in a safe, a safe place, and we were waiting for like the cure, and they, at the time, were getting high, and they didn't want to stop. So today they're not here, and I still have the bottle of champagne. You know, and I don't want to drink it. I don't know why, but I just don't want to drink it because I want to drink it with them. And they're not around right now, you know, and that had a lot to do with me trying to get well, you know, hep C. Well, you know, and for me, you know what? You know, another thing that really surprised me when they started doing the teller. You know, the thing over the telescreen, you know what I'm saying, right? Who's gonna believe that you can talk to somebody over the telescreen, give you some information about a pill that could help save your life?
It was really surprising how organized they was.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
For something like this that none of us had ever experienced, how organized it was.
Yeah.
There was no bumps. It was all smooth.
Right.
It was all smooth. So no bumps, no
Yeah.
complications, no I'm sorry, so you know, we can't,
Very professional.
you can't get your medication, nothing. None of that.
The telemedicine I like. You know, I really like the whole concept because I feel, you know, I have doctors that specialize, that's what they deal with on a daily basis. You know, I feel the treatment was excellent, and it is excellent.
You know, my daughter's graduation came up May 7th, and I was worried about, you know, how was I gonna get this medication these 3 days, you know, that I was gone. You know, what's your name again, Dr. Sylvester? He came up with the idea, well, we're gonna give you your medication to take. We trust you that much to take your medication on your own.
See, the thing about methadone treatment programs or other programs like this, you know, you're going to have a large number of people right there with the hep C, you know. And the beauty of it is to bring treatment to them right there. Or let's say they got to go out to Far Rockaway or way up to Yonkers somewhere to get treatment, and you can get it right here where you get your medication and do your other business. I mean, how much easier can you have it?
I think we all born with this inept attribute that lets us know when something is right or when something is wrong. We kind of got the feel from them from the start, and sometimes you just got to follow your gut. In this instance, it wasn't just the bedside manner, it was our gut. And one thing about addicts is that when a good thing is out, we pass the word. And that's what we did. You know, whether it was Al, Mike, or whoever, we passed the word and went on on, and it was a good thing, that word that was passed. And it's something that I hope continues for a while, because there are others that still need this.
Yes, it is.
There's a lot of people that I knew that aren't here no more because this was not around.
Available.
But there's so many of my friends like they're not here no more. But like I said, you know, we got that, it's a trait that we have, you're born with this.
Yeah.
Unless you know when something is right or when it's not right. And I knew from the start that this was the right thing, and I was right. As you heard the testimony. This is definitely the way to go.
Life is so short, you know, and if you don't do it now, when? You know, sometimes it's all the diseases out there, there is no cure, you know. This one that at that moment or that time, it was like it wasn't going to be, you know, no cure. And now that it is, you know, I just hope that people out there take your chances and do it. You're going to get cured.